Hello bestie, welcome back to my channel, Compliment of the Season. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this delicious beef cabbage stir fry. This beef cabbage stir fries taste so good and it is very quick to prepare. It's just few ingredients you will make your delicious beef stir fry. So let's quickly go ahead to prepare this. Here I have half cabbage. I'm going to cut it into big chunks, but before using it, I have already washed the vegetables, all the vegetables I will be using to prepare this. So after cutting it, I will separate it from itself and so that it will be single. Okay, then after doing this, I will set it aside. Then the next step I'm going to do is to cut the carrots. So I'm going to be using these 2 pieces of carrots. Then I will cut it into these long stripes. You can go ahead and make yours more slimmer or more tinier, but this size is okay. So after cutting the carrot, I'm going to set it aside. So the next step is going to be the garlic. I will be using the fresh garlic to prepare this. Fresh garlic is always better because it gives it that freshness, that fresh taste of, it adds that flavor of freshness into the beef cabbage stir fry. Then after cutting it, I'm going to set it aside as well and go ahead and cut these spring onions already washed. Then after cutting as well, I will keep it aside and then I will go ahead and cut the beef. So it's just as simple as that. If you can see, there is no much thing we have used in this recipe. So here is the beef already washed. Okay, you can as well, for you to have easy access or for you to cut it so freely, just freeze it a bit, okay, before cutting it, okay, so that you won't have much struggle cutting it into the sizes you want. All right, so now I have finished cutting this out. I'm going to set it aside as well. Now that I have finished cutting out the beef, the next thing is to add in the dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, then I just added the cornstarch or corn flour, some baking soda, and some salt to taste. Then some sesame oil and a bit of olive oil. Then I'll go ahead and mix it all well together. So after mixing it, I'm going to set it aside to marinate for just about 1 hour. Then now it is ready. I will go ahead and heat up the oil. Then the next step is to fry the cabbage and also the carrots. So I'm going to stir fry it, okay, just to make sure that the cabbage is a bit softened. So this is the time to just mix it and then mix and mix. I will go ahead and add in some sugar and some salt to taste. So the sugar will help it to tenderize, okay, to help it to get a bit softened on time. Then I will add in some water. I just added in some water, so this will allow it to steam fast and also steam good, okay. So stir it in together. I just added some cooking wine and stir it in. Cover again to heat up just for a couple of minutes. And here it is ready. I did not allow it to cook for a very long time, okay, because we are still going to stir fry it together with the beef. So now I'm scooping it out, then I will set it aside. Here I just added some vegetable oil. So here is the beef, okay, it is already marinated well. So I'll go ahead and stir fry the beef. Just take your time and make sure the beef is separated from itself, okay. And then I just added some water. There is about 4 tablespoons of water. So it is now time for me to add in the garlic. So it is best to add in the garlic now than for you frying the garlic, okay. So after adding in the garlic, I will go ahead and flip the whole thing, the whole beef, to the other side so that it will all cook properly. Here in this kitchen, it smells divine. The smell here is wow. So now it is time for me to add in the scallion, okay, the spring onions. Then mix and mix. This beef cabbage stir fry, it's one of the best dish you can have, even for those that are watching their weight. You can eat it this way without even adding rice or anything. You will be well filled. So here is the cabbage. I just added it into it. Then I will go ahead and keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And please, my friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that you will always be the #1 person to see my video pop up whenever I post. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.